It's Friday. The girls are out of school. They got one more week. Like, they done already done graduated, but they going back for another week. But anyway, it's Friday. I got a lot of cleaning up to do. I want to take the girls somewhere because it's nice outside, but I'm like, where are we gonna go? I don't know, because I'm gonna be sitting in traffic and I ain't gonna get there. It's about like an hour or two, because the side of town I want to go on, it's gonna take a minute to get there. So I don't know, maybe I'll just plan for next week for us to be able to do something. But yeah, so I think I'm going to create a video, and tell me if you guys are even interested in this, about basically how to get your life back dealing with chronic inflammation. Because as many of you know, and some may not, but I deal with rheumatoid arthritis, so I am just constantly inflamed all the time. But I refuse to let that cripple me. I refuse to let that take over my life. I still want to get out and do stuff. I still want to move and groove and do as much as the things as I used to do as possible. So I was thinking about creating a video to encourage and share tips and methods that I use to allow me to do that while trying to heal myself from the inside. But you know, that's an ongoing process, so there are things that you can do to try to help you and to be an active parent with your babies. Because if you're anything like me, you like to be outside with your kids. Like, I don't like when the kids have to go back to school, because, well, for one, I ain't gonna lie, selfishly I have to wake up extra early to get them ready for school. But for two, I like spending time with my kids. I like doing fun activities, going places, seeing new things, experiencing things with them. So sometimes it's a joyous time for me. So here's AC Pooh. He just had a bath. Say hey, Boo-Boo. He chilling right now. We got him in the carrier and he loves it in there. So that's great, because that's gonna help me get a lot done today. Say hey, Boo-Boo. All right, so the plan is, I really don't have a plan, to be quite honest. My sister, let me show you out what my sister did. And got the girls the biggest graduation card ever, and they're gonna be so excited. Got them little goodie bags and balloons. They are gonna be so excited. When I tell y'all, I literally have the best sister. She is the best auntie. Like, she helps so much. Either way, she don't even have to do stuff. I'm like, I already know, it's cool, I got it. She's like, well, it's already done. Like, I already took care of it. So let me back up so y'all hear me. But I just got me a new little baby carrier off Amazon. I got it on sale for like $50. Regularly it's like $65 or whatever. So I was happy about that. I have one, but I don't know if maybe I'm just not using it right, if AC's too big, or it's a combination of multiple things. I don't know. But I saw this one and I liked it. And I saw, oh, what's that girl's name? Alondra? I think her name's Alondra. I had saw her with one similar, and I was like, you know what? I like that one. So let me see if I can find one similar. I don't know if this is the exact one that she had, but it's real similar. And I liked how it looked. And it looked like it was very like supportive and like secure. So I found this one and I like it. It's giving the neutral color for my little baby boy. So he's gonna be in this for a minute. Yeah, so anyway, I wish I would have had it sooner. He's only 4 months, but whew, my baby better be 5 months. My baby better be 5 months. Yeah, he better be 5 months. But anyway, I got a lot of stuff I need to do today as far as around the house. I need to clean my room, the girls' room, do laundry. And that's pretty much it. The girls are out for Memorial Day, so that's wonderful. We are going to have the most epic field day on Sunday that y'all have ever seen. We usually always do activities, but this year we're raising the bar. So I'm going to film that for y'all and let y'all see that. But yeah, that's pretty much all we're doing today. If anything changes or we actually do go outside or go somewhere, then of course I'll bring y'all along for that. But as of right now, it's probably not going to happen. I need to plan, and to be quite honest, there's a lot of other things I need to get in order before we do that. I'll pick back up with you guys once the girls get home and they open their gifts. Hey. Hi. Hey, Liv. Hey, Lon. Hey. Look what you got. Pink is for Lundy. Purple is for Livy.
Ready? 1, 2, go!
when we first got up this morning, but we were in a rush to trying to get to my lash appointment on time. But I brought the kids with me. Well, I brought 2 of the 3 babies with me. My mom's watching AC, but the girls are with me. We went and got I went and got my lashes done. We're at Chick-Fil-A now. Then we need to go to Whole Foods to return some things to Amazon. Then we're gonna go back home. And I am gonna try to record and edit some videos that I need to do. So, this is probably gonna be a really short mini vlog. It does feel nice outside, although it's given very much it's gonna rain at any moment. But it does feel nice, and I would like to be outside, but I don't think it's gonna happen. But the kids are officially out of school, so you know that means the babies want to know what we're doing every day of the week until the end of summer. So I got a few things planned for them. We're gonna see how it goes, but right now I'm really hungry. All the kids, me and the girls, are really hungry. Of course, when I decide to get out the car, well, when I get back in the car, that's when the rain decided to slow up, and it stopped after I done got drenched. Look at my hair. I mean, no, I'm not finna do it. I'm not finna do my hair right now. Like, it's just take too much work. I'm not finna do it right now.
What's up? India, let's just call. What's up? I so happy to get my mom drivers. Thank you, y'all. Bless us. Bless us. Because Jesus bless us.
I'm gonna get to the house and I'm still gonna record this content, but it's supposed to rain all day. I don't even know about the rest of the week, but that's gonna alter plans once again. Oh my gosh, my hair is soaking wet. Oh my gosh. Okay, anyway, bye. I'll see y'all when I get to the house. Okay, so we made it back home. I made the girls clean up their room. I got on the computer and did some important family planning stuff that I have been putting off and putting off. I don't know why, but I finally got that done. So praise the Lord for that. Be careful. Liv over here playing with her little brother. But anyway, I feel like I'm about to let down. That's what I feel like I'm about to do. Tomorrow we got plans. I feel like my hair look crazy. I know my hair look crazy. I got rained on so bad. But tomorrow our intentions are to go out with my mom. She gotta run a few errands, and then hopefully go to this new park that we drove past but we never really got to explore. So hopefully go there, take the kids outside, let them, you know, run around, burn some energy so they can go to sleep. And then I don't know, we'll see what the day takes us. But for the rest of today, it's probably where I'm gonna end this, because I really, why does my hair keep sticking up, y'all? Like, it's really getting on my nerves right now. Like, it's really getting on my nerves, and I don't feel like doing it. Like, I'm about to make a hair appointment because I don't feel like doing it. But yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna talk to y'all tomorrow. I don't even know where I left off in the vlog, but we made it to the park and it is beautiful. This is our first time walking in the park. Too bad it's so far away from the house, but it's so pretty. There's quite a few people out, but this would be really fun to come back. Okay, that's my mom. Hi.